A member of the Jamaica Defense Force was shot and killed in Barbican on Thursday morning. He has been identified as Major B.P. Williams. He was found lying in a pool of blood beside his car, suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. His licensed firearm was missing. The circumstances surrounding Williams' death are still unclear at the time, but unconfirmed reports are that he was killed by gunmen after intervening in an attempted car robbery. A 47-year-old woman was shot and killed by a lone gunman in Greenwich Town, Kingston 13 on Wednesday night. The deceased has been identified as Manula Stewartson, also known as Jula, from Seaview Garden in the area. Reports are that about 8:25, the now deceased was sitting on a chair among the other family members when lone gunman entered the premises on foot and approached her before opening fire, hitting her in the head. Stewartson, after being shot, fell to the ground and the shooter reportedly stood over her and continued firing shots at her head before making his escape in the area. No motive was given for the killing. Investigations are ongoing. The skeletal remains of a man were found in bushes at Wanstead District in Thompsontown, Clarendon on Wednesday. The remains are believed to be that of 64-year-old Nathaniel Fisher, otherwise called Bazi, a farmer from the district. Lawmen said Fisher was reported missing at the Moko police station on February 4, 2023 by his relatives. It was revealed that the now deceased suffered from Alzheimer's. The relative have told police at the time that due to his illness, Fisher would sometime wander away but would return eventually. Police said another farmer from the district was cutting yam sticks yesterday when he stumbled upon the skeletal remains on the ground between some trees. He made an alarm and called other community members, who then reported the matter to the Moko police. The police visited the area and with the assistance of residents who led them along a road down a gully into bushes saw the skeletal remains. Items of clothing and a pair of black rubber slippers were found near the remains, the police said. The scene was processed and the remains removed, pending a post-mortem examination.